What's the meaning of breast pocket? Breast pocket. Breast pocket.
Breast pocket. Breast pocket. A breast pocket, also known as a chest pocket, is a small pocket located on the upper left-hand side of a garment, typically a shirt, jacket, or vest, that is designed to hold small items such as pens, glasses, or a pocket square. This type of pocket has a narrow opening and is located on the front of the garment, above the heart. It is called a breast pocket because it is situated over the wearer's chest. Breast pockets are often used for practical purposes, such as holding small tools or documents, but they can also be a decorative feature in men's fashion.